Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Eyeko London Skinny Liquid Liner in black. It is a felt tip pen, and it says our easy to use, easy to apply liquid eyeliner pen allows you to create thick feline flicks or fine defined lines to accentuate your lines. Unique, lasting formula for a gratifying, color-intense, smudge-proof finish, and a paraben-free formula. Best used on cleaned, oil-free eyelids, intense single-stroke color, which is really awesome. They have quite a line of different. They have a couple different eyeliners. They have the Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner, which I think that's a different one than ours, which is in carbon black. They have a fat liquid liner. They have a magic liquid liner, and they also suggest pairing it with their mascara, which is the Eyeko Skinny Brush Mascara in black, and it's easy to apply. It's really great liquid liner. You can do a really nice cat eye with it. It stays put. It has very long staying power and a really great felt tip. So let me show you what it looks like on my hand. And it says on the back, it's cute. It says, "When in doubt, wing it out. Our easy to use pen precision, point perfection, and long-lasting vinyl black color. Key ingredient is algae extract that ensures color glides on for a smooth, quick-dry, smudge-proof finish." So, once again, the Eyeko Skinny, and I'm going to try it on the hand if I can get it open. Oh yeah, that's really, really, really nice. You can go deeper. You can do a nice cat line. I'm not the best with mascara. I mean, with eyeliner, but I try. Do I try? So that's the color. The color is really pigmented. It comes out of the tube very lightly, and I think the only thing I would need is when I put on a mascara or an eyeshadow, I like to stretch the area that I'm putting it on, because I feel like it gives me more control. So eyeliner is a whole big deal for me, but this one, it being precise, smudge-proof, and pitch black, makes it a lot easier. So I've tried some other mascara, and actually their mascara is really good as well. And the mascara works really well. It's nice and makes your eyes pop. And if you're looking for a nice mid-range price eyeliner, actually, let me look at the price. Let me tell you how much it is. Yeah, it's a mid-price eyeliner, but with makeup, mostly you get what you pay for, but somewhere in the middle that kind of meets and meshes with the high-end products like Yves Saint Laurent and Christian Dior. And so I kind of stick somewhere in the middle. It's not all drugstore brands, but I like to indulge in some nicer products that I know that are going to work better and I'm not going to have to work as hard at, and they're just going to be a nicer product to be working with. So the Eyeko Skinny Liquid Liner in black, don't take my word for it, try it yourself. It's also, what I do is a tight lining where you pull your eye and you go in between your eyelashes so that you have a very thin eyelash. And I found for smaller eyes, my eyes aren't particularly small, but they look small when I have eyeliner on. But you can do that. You can make it as wide as you want. You can flick it out and make a beautiful cat eye. So anything you want to do, the Eyeko Skinny Liner in black Don't take my word for it. Like I said, I'd give it a 5 out of 5. It's a really good liquid liner, and I like that it's a skinny liner. That's really nice. So 5 out of 5. Don't take my word for it. Try it yourself, and thanks so much for watching.